When twinkling lights dance on the walls and every corner of your home feels alive with festive charm, you know Christmas has arrived. But this year, it's not just your tree or mantle getting all the attention. Your walls can become the showstoppers too. From rustic farmhouse charm to sleek, modern minimalism, your walls are the perfect canvas for holiday magic. Whether it's garlands that climb, wreaths that glow, or DIY wall art that brings warmth and creativity, these Christmas wall decor ideas will turn blank spaces into merry masterpieces. So, let's light up those walls with joy, color, and sparkle, and make your home feel like a winter wonderland from floor to ceiling. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your cozy corner for all things festive, creative, and stylish. In today's video, we're diving into Christmas wall decor ideas, from DIY crafts and rustic charm to modern, elegant designs. Whether you're decorating a small space or transforming your entire home, these wall decor ideas will bring the spirit of Christmas right to your walls. Why decorate your walls for Christmas? Walls set the mood. They frame your space and make your decor feel complete. Adding wall art, garlands, or festive hangings helps spread Christmas cheer across every inch of your home. What are some simple Christmas wall decor ideas? Start with string lights shaped into stars or trees, hang a wreath, or drape garlands along picture frames. Even minimal details can create a cozy, magical glow. If you love simple but beautiful Christmas ideas, hit like and share this video with your holiday-loving friends. What are some DIY Christmas wall decoration ideas? Use craft paper, wooden cutouts, or felt to create hanging ornaments and festive banners. Try making a wall-mounted Christmas tree using string lights or garland. It's a fun, space-saving project. What are modern Christmas wall decor ideas? Opt for clean lines and metallic tones. Think gold geometric stars, minimal white wreaths, or sleek LED wall art. Modern decor looks chic, elegant, and perfect for contemporary spaces. Do you prefer modern minimalism or classic rustic decor for your walls? Tell us in the comments below. What are rustic Christmas wall decor ideas? Use reclaimed wood signs, burlap garlands, and farmhouse-style wreaths. Pair them with plaid fabrics or galvanized metal stars for a warm, cozy country Christmas look. How can I use garlands to decorate walls for Christmas? Hang them along shelves or door frames, or let them cascade down a wall like a waterfall of greenery. Add fairy lights, ribbons, or ornaments to make them more vibrant and layered. Check out our Christmas garland ideas playlist in the description for more creative inspiration. What are creative Christmas wall hanging ideas? Try macrame snowflakes, felt advent calendars, or framed ornaments. Hang oversized bells, stars, or even stockings for a playful and textured display. How can I create festive wall art for Christmas? Use canvases, wooden boards, or framed prints. Paint Christmas quotes, silhouettes of reindeer, or minimalist snowflakes. Add fairy lights around your artwork for a glowing gallery feel. Love making your own festive art? Hit subscribe for weekly DIY holiday decor videos from Decor Design Ideas. How can I decorate walls for Christmas without nails or damage? Use adhesive hooks, command strips, or magnetic clips. You can hang lightweight decor like garlands, banners, or paper snowflakes safely and remove them after the holidays. How can I decorate a large empty wall for Christmas? Create a focal point, a giant wreath, a wall-mounted faux fireplace, or a cascading garland display. For a fun twist, make an oversized Merry Christmas sign or light up word art. Watch our Christmas living room decor guide linked below for full room inspiration. What are some affordable DIY Christmas wall decor ideas? Recycle old ornaments into wall art, use wrapping paper as temporary wallpaper, or hang holiday cards as a collage. It's festive, sustainable, and easy on the wallet. How can I make my Christmas wall decor cohesive with the rest of my home? Stick to a color palette. If your tree is gold and white, echo that in your wall accents. Use matching textures like faux fur, metallics, or wood to tie everything together seamlessly. What are unique Christmas wall craft ideas for kids? Make paper chains, thumbprint art, or craft foam snowflakes. Kids can decorate cardboard trees, then tape them up as wall art. It's creative and family-friendly fun. How can I incorporate holiday lighting into wall decor? Shape fairy lights into stars, hearts, or Christmas trees. Use battery-operated LEDs to highlight wreaths or art pieces. It adds a warm, glowing charm to any room. What are elegant Christmas wall decor ideas for small spaces? Go vertical. Hang layered garlands or mini wreaths in rows. Use mirrors or metallic accents to reflect light, making your walls look festive without feeling crowded. Your walls don't have to stay plain this Christmas. They can be a canvas of light, texture, and festive joy. Whether you love DIY wall crafts, rustic farmhouse charm, or modern minimalist design, there's a way to make every inch of your home sparkle with holiday spirit. This season, let your walls tell the story of warmth, creativity, and Christmas cheer. If these Christmas wall decor ideas inspired you, hit like and share this video. What's your favorite style? Rustic, DIY, or modern? Tell us in the comments. Explore our holiday wall and room decor playlist for more ideas and tutorials. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly seasonal decorating inspiration. Watch our guides on Christmas tree decor, garlands, and mantle setups, linked below.